Introducing pyManager, a top-notch version control system designed with excellence. With pyManager, it's easy to manage Python modules seamlessly.
So in the part 2 of this video, I'll be discussing a couple of UI design tips and tricks. So in the previous video, I have discussed many things about how to compare previous versions. So when it comes to managing these modules, like suppose I have to click on copy it, then click on copy it. So I need a little bit of confirmation here. So every time I click on it, I have to click OK also. When I'm checking with 100+ methods, something like this, I feel like it's not that easy. I need some flexible solution for this one. So then that's where I thought like I came across this one. So in the latest version, what I have seen, what I have done is like, so the moment I click on it, it will pop-up message will come and it will disappear in no time. So there is no need to confirm that message. The kind of old school method to confirm the message is not needed anymore. So this is how I am improving the tool. So as a developer, sometimes I have to play a role of end user. So when I was using this tool multiple times, so I feel like this has become not that easy. I mean, a bit of difficulty I have felt. So that's where I come up with this solution. So hope you guys like it, this kind of solution. So now I had a confirmation like it is copied, and at the same time I am seeing the message also. There is no need to confirm OK and all, etc, etc. Okay, and now so with the recent development in this tool, so what I did was like main tools, when we are using multiple tools, this particular function is being used by another function within the same submodule. But in the main tools, when we are checking with multiple tools, I thought of like how many tools are using this particular function in this case. So here is the pop-up help message, it will be shown. And now let me check multiple files, target files. So in this case I can remove 𝑎𝑠_node. So because 𝑎𝑠_node is something like a submodule, these are like a target file. So now you can see like a selected main tools came like a UI main, eRig main, EasyRig, HyperRig, eSpec. So now let me analyze this one from the multiple files. So it's taking a bit of time. So now we can see that when multiple files are being using this particular function, now I can see that this particular function is being used by this many helper tools, So now if I want to copy, yes, copy. I can go and check in actual file like where it is. So quickly I can do some changes like moving this particular function to another file, removing it unwanted. So that's how it is very easy to manage these things. So yeah, that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed this video also. Thank you most. Thank you.
I think we're ready to move.